invite Sri Bhartia, Chairman Board of Governors, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Respected Rashtrapati Ji, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Shri Balramji Das Tandon, Governor of Chhattisgarh, Dr. Raman Singh, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Prem Prakash Pandey, Minister of Higher and Technical Education, Government of Chhattisgarh, Shri Ramesh Vais, Member of Parliament, Raipur, Member of Board of Governors, Professor Sahai, distinguished guests, parent and family members of our students, faculty and staff, my friends from the media, and my dear graduating students. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the 4th annual convocation of IIM Raipur. It is my privilege to welcome Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, for the 4th annual convocation. Sir, we are honored that you are here with us today on behalf of all the members of our institute. I would like to thank you for accepting our invitation. Your presence is a source of inspiration. Your knowledge and wisdom will indeed spark in our students a desire to follow your footsteps, to be a leader, and of course, a contributor to the society. Students and guests, please join me in applauding and welcoming our Honorable Rashtrapati Ji. I would also take this opportunity to thank Shri Balramji Das Tandon, Governor of Chhattisgarh, Dr. Raman Singh Ji, Chief Minister, and the entire government of Chhattisgarh for their unstinted support and guidance. I also wish to thank the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Let me also welcome all the members of the Board of Governors for their presence and their guidance in achieving excellence in all activities of the Institute. I also extend a warm welcome to the distinguished guests from the government, corporate sector, academia who are here with us today. I wish to express my gratitude to the members of media for their wide coverage of events of IIM Raipur. The Institute has earned an outstanding reputation for itself in such a short span of time because of its academic excellence, high quality research, executive education, and of course, corporate and international linkages. The year 2014-15 has been a rewarding year for IIM Raipur. The few highlights of the year are: IIM Raipur has so far signed 10 international collaborations with premier international institutes across the world. IIM Raipur is now an associate member of the 2 international accreditation bodies, namely the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business and European Foundation for Management Development. For the first time, 16 students from postgraduate programs of working executives went to Alba Graduate Business School, Greece, under the International Immersion Program for 2 weeks. The Institute has undertaken significant infrastructure improvement for providing best-in-class academic and research environment. IIM Raipur has provided financial support to meritorious students to participate in International Students Exchange Program and in various international events of high reputation in both categories. 10 students each will receive a financial grant of rupees 1.5 lakhs. Let me now turn to our graduating students. I congratulate all our students and the award winners today. Entering into this institution, facing intense competition, you pursued your academic work with great dedication. By your hard work and by dedication to maintain high standards, you earned your degrees and awards. It's a moment of pride for you as much as it is for your teachers, parents, and those who had part in shaping your life so far. The knowledge and skills, and more importantly, the moral and ethical values that IIM Raipur encourages would enable you to make a great start. My heartiest congratulations also to the parents and members of the families of all the graduating students, and compliment them for providing their children with guidance to withstand the pressure of a very demanding course at IIM and of course, all the students have come out with flying colors. I'm sure you would all forge ahead and make us proud. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.